Okay, go, yeah, this is a nice one. Brilliant! Guys, yeah, very special, guys. I gave them a big applause, guys, see, because at least they'll be able to survive, guys, and I'm so hands up with them. Oh, I love it, guys! Guys, can you imagine that I was here 25 years ago and now I'm back and there's a lot of changes here because there's a lot of beautiful buildings and then a lot of restaurants as well that you can find any food you like and it's much more booming now compared than 25 years ago. How do you like that? Yes, I'm still enjoying though. So we're still ordering our food, guys. I guess they're still cooking our food. But right now, I'm just gonna show you the spectacular view of amazing Taps Hills. So this is it. We're here unexpectedly. Because we really did not expect that we're coming today because it seems like it's just a surprise. But anyway, it came true. And the people here, and I guess they're still working, guys, because as you can see the crane, yeah, they're still continuing working here. So I guess they're not done yet. There's still a lot of things needs to be done here. I guess it would be so nice to show you up there because so you'll get the view, the bird's eye view of the Top Hills, which is incredible, amazing. Oh, I have a house coffee here. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's not included, guys, okay? 200 pesos with the bus, well, and at least still, yeah, it would be so nice there, guys, but eventually I'm gonna go up there later. So I'm just gonna check out my friends here because we're still waiting for our food. It's hot! Okay, I'm gonna show you here how much people here, guys, see, since that, so here I am. Yeah, so isn't it amazing, guys, see that how beautiful it is here. For 25 years ago, I did not come back here until now. So it's incredible. I wish you were here with me. It would be we're gonna have so much fun if someone with me. Well, I have my girlfriends though. But I guess I need to show you this while before it's dark. Look at that, it's overlooking the city of Cebu, guys. And of course, at the other side there's a mountain. And then Cebu City, and then look at all of their establishments there. Well, you can get your coffee, your food, and anything you like. And of course, there's a lot of foreigner here. But I wish. Hi! Hi! Yes! Sunset na? Dagan lang serving, guys. Yeah, ang family, isa lang. Yeah, this is a very good vacation. It's not a vacation, but at least tour. A very good tour. Vacation, hey, we're from Cebu. We're not from other part of the world that we can call it vacation. This is crazy, but oh my guys, you have to be here, guys. Please come and visit here. So this is our food, guys. See, look at that. There's a munggo, guys, so yummy. And we have a pancit, and then we have a pork belly. Pork belly, yes. And a mini lumpia, guys. See, and it's just like perfect. Like to eat as snacks. This is really quite tardy. Most of the people at resort, guys, but decided to stay here because we have much better viewing guys here. And we're gonna try it seems like we didn't find our restaurant. So now that we're trying this, we're coming up here for more. get here, it's now so easy because it seems like this is one of the tourist spots in Cebu. Look at it, guys. Guys, we're gonna move somewhere else, guys, because now it's getting dark and it's so nice to see the sunset, right? Yes. Bye. Billy, bye, guys. See you later, alligator. Yes. There's a lot of people now, guys. They're coming out this afternoon and just wait for the sunset because that's what they've been waiting for, is the sunset. So right now, it's still sunny there, so that's why everybody's in the shade. But later on, guys, so nice. Yeah, so it is nice, Daisy. It is the sunset na, guys. So now this is the right time, a perfect time. Ay, sorry, guys. Going up now, guys, see, because it seems that we have much nicer view up there. I went there earlier, but of course I'm gonna go back there with my friend. And look at the view. Look at, guys. Look at, guys. Hi. So I guess the construction of this facility here, guys, see, they're still ongoing. So they're not done yet with their construction here. So this is what happened, guys. If Filipinos are friendly, guys, so there's a lot of foreign people who will come here because of our hospitality and our friendliness. Friendliness is next to godliness. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Yes. So this is much nicer here, actually, guys. See. This is it, ladies here. Ako, bilang sa Pinay. Uy. In here, guys, see, ha? The people are friendly and our hospitable country. So look at the people here. It's everywhere. So there is the shade because right now I feel still sunlight, guys. Oh, there's another upstairs there. Well, I'm gonna go back there later. But look at this, guys. So this is so to think that we have something like this in Cebu, in the Philippines. Oh, it's priceless, guys. You gotta be here. Look at this. Yeah, they're waiting for the sunset, guys, because they said that it's much more nicer at sunset. So I think we're gonna be here for sunset also. So we never go anywhere. others, guys. Yeah, so they really want me to go up there, guys. So I thought that, guys, ako, guys! Ay, ang ako mga friends, guys. So, I miss you. Okay, let's go up now. Guys, nasa mga namin kaya ako na-feature, guys. They are the cancer survivors, guys. So, I'm so happy to see them, guys. You know that they survived a very harsh thing in their lives. Yeah, so now they have to celebrate. Yeah, so now they have to celebrate, guys, with their, I would say, second life. Yeah, their second life, guys. So you'll be my forever survivor. Yes, forever heroes. Yes. Come. Oh my goodness, guys. Hello, it's a nice one. They really long. Look at that. We need to kayo mong video sa in fairness. Wow, that's nice. Okay, one more. Yes, I'm so happy, guys. Ano mo lang kita?
Pwede ba picture?
Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Ako siya, hindi naman ito. Ari na punta pa. Thank you, sir. Oh, did you have good time, guys? Of course. Yes. You have so much good time, guys. Yes. Especially this crazy vlogger. Yes. So this is very important, guys. See that? Okay. So you see, guys, when we came here early, nobody's here. And now look at these people here. It's just like flooding of people. Yeah. It was empty a while ago, guys. And look at now here. Hi. Oh, look at the sun kiss, guys. Guys, ano na? Picture ta. Akin po.
Walay kayo.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Hello, Super Pinay!
Guys, thank you, guys. I-upload din ako. Give me 2 weeks. Guys. Yes. Sito fan friends, guys. I'm having so much good time here. And it's so nice that I'm here and we're here with my friends. Yeah. I know, right? Yeah, singanay na lang. Basta mga... So that's the bird's eye view, guys. So look how it is amazing here right here, guys, right? If you're here, you wanna come here. I'm telling you, this is awesome view. And Cebu, top hills. Okay, here we go. So this is the ferry. A lot of people. Oh my. So that's where the people love to come up here, guys, see, because this is the real thing here. This is it, pansit. This is it, pansit. Wow. Nice and flat. Yes. Oh my goodness lang. It's unbelievable. Yes.
Ayaw ka kagad dyan. Una daw na ang
First thing here that I've been carrying all day.
Yes.
Look at this guy, see. Oh my God. Uy, gawa ito sa ibabaw? Napat. Ah, okay. Wala na yung bagay dito. Ah? Ay, sorry. Oh my God. Wait, ang init. Agad lang. Ano sa... The view is perfect, guys. You have no idea if you are here, so you better come here and experience what we've been experiencing now because it is awesome. Fashion show! It's a fashion show! Fashion show! It's a fashion show. Nice girl lang to. Nakalagod lang. Kalawag ka. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I guess it's perfect here, so we have to move another location. Katulad ka, yes! Mas nice of you lang. Very nice look. Wow! Nice kay view, eh. Tatatan! Tatatan! Guys, pahuway sa taga. Latay si CCTV. Da-da-da-da-da-dan. Da-da-dee-da-da-dan. This is Instagrammable. The view is here, guys, is priceless. So there's really so much going on in Cebu City. And I'm proud to be Cebuana. Cebuana. Hindi lang silang fancy along. Nga na rin na.
May open naman te.
Ah, mauba? Diha sa ubos?
Hindi na kayo madungog.
No, it's open no. Open space sa hayo. Kala oh. Dako kayo mas tanggol.
Paspas na with light. Paspas ka na ko. Anak ko. Muna pinaka.
Ingan ninyo ha? Ingan ninyo ha lang? I love you, Jude. Mo na diha, anak na. Oh, mo na nang finale. So that's my finale, guys. Yeah, because that is just the exit. So nakaw na kuluhan ko guys. Bye. I know, pero kung uling ko kapoy ko. Yes, tos ako na lang juga. So look at all the people sitting here, guys. See? I know. Okay, i-ikot na insert lang niya. Okay, it's all the way down. Okay, so we're leaving na, guys. See? Look at how nice it is. How many steps is here? I did not count. I guess it's the same step as the other entrance, guys. Okay. So there's still lots of people here. Diba doon pataas? Oh! What? So I guess, guys, this is it. I guess after a while, guys, we were leaving. Because now it's night time. I guess we have enough here. At least. Wow, nice kayo lang. Very nice. Ang people, guys, no, nakatag na. Nakatag na ang mga people. Woo! Woo! 360 view in Top Hills, Cebu City. Guys, I guess you are resting because we're tired of all whole day that we've been here walking around earlier and nobody yet, but now there's a lot of people. So now it's time for us to rest. I'm so tired, but of course I'm drinking my coffee, so I'm still alive and kicking. Yeah. So look at all the people sitting down here, guys. Yes. So you see. Buwan ako gaha kay nindot ang view sa suyo lang. Okay. So that is, look at that guys. Oh wow.
Hi guys.
Guys, ato dito guys. Kay para nindot guys.
Miss na nasa Miss.
Hi guys. Guys, after I have my coffee guys. So it's make me alive and Kiki. I'm still Kiki. But that's already guys. We're tired already. So we have to rest. But I don't want to rest guys. That's why I have my energy drinks here, which is coffee. Look at all the people guys. Hi. So this is the way except guys, see ha. So this is the except here. Yes. Hi. So now it is dinner time guys, see. And we are leaving. Look at how lively it is here. We're heading to our bus. Can you imagine guys, see, it's just like a mall here. A lot of establishment, food and drinks. So in every corner. Oh, we have to come here at night time guys. Look at this. Welcome to. Okay guys, see, I guess we're leaving now.
Apa kita dua? So, ini dengan ini. Wah, ikaw na.
Go!
Thank you.
Uy! May video din sa video na te! Pangkayaysa na! Sige lang, pinali! Murag way ka humana sinali! Ayran! Kinala mag-enjoy ka na kay girlfriend. Ako kay girlfriend. Ay, come mom! You're alone? Okay na ka? Oh, wow, okay. Si ma'am guys, alone na siya guys. Pero happy gihapon. Isa na kinusara diha. Kaya ko taga 1K.